Hello friends, it's me Teddy. Today, I will be drawing Wednesday Addams from the Netflix series Wednesday. To begin, let's start by sketching a mountain-like shape. Then, draw a curved line from one end towards the center. Next, create a V shape, and continue with a curved line on the other side. Now, make a dot below and extend two curved lines from it, connecting them from above. Moving on to the center, draw two diagonal lines next to each other. Add a C curve in both lines, followed by a U shape inside each. For the eyelashes, draw two diagonal lines on both eyes. Then, make a curved line above each eye and a diagonal line for the eyebrows. Now, let's draw a hard-edged U shape for the nose. Below the nose, draw a straight line and add an M shape above and a U shape below to complete the lips. Include a dot for the chin. Next, draw two straight lines below and connect them with a V shape. Then, draw a reverse V shape and connect its ends with a diagonal L shape. Moving on to the braids, let's make four diamond-like shapes in a chain. Repeat this process on the other side as well. Now, let's draw her shoulders. Start with a straight line from the collar, followed by a hook shape, and another straight line. Repeat the hook shape on the other side. Don't forget to add a straight line to divide her hairline. For the cuffs, draw a diagonal L shape, followed by another straight line. Then, draw a curved line with a series of curved lines and a U shape for the fingers. Complete the hand with a curved and straight line. Repeat this process for the other hand. Finally, add the partitions for the arms. That's it. I hope you like the drawing. If you do, please share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more. Until then, happy drawing!